Okay. Let's have a look of the SK307 digital tracing strip set. So in this product, it has one row of the digital tracing strip. It has 48 LEDs per meter, and for every 3 LEDs is one group, so it's 16 groups per meter, and the power consumption is about 48 watts per row. For this set, it has a remote controller and a built-in digital tracing strip controller. So here's the remote controller, and the receiver is just installed here in this section. So it's embedded into the digital strip, and here is the power supply input. So it's just easy to install. Just plug in the power and play. So it's quite simple. And besides the SK307, we also have SK308. So SK308, it has same function, just less LEDs. This one has 24 LEDs per meter, and it's also 3 LEDs per group. So every meter there's 8 sections, 8 groups. And the power consumption is about 24 watts per row, 5 meters. And also it has the same remote controller and embedded receiver onto the strip. Let's have a look of the basic operation of this product. First, it has an on-off key, so it's turn on or turn off the light. It's quite simple. And for mode plus and mode minus is to adjust the programs, running programs. Plus is next, minus is previous. And here next is speed. Speed is to adjust the running speed. You can go faster or slower. And here is play and pause. Pause, play, pause, play. It's quite simple. And the DIR means direction, so it can run forward or backward, or open and close to from left and right to center, or center to left and right. And besides this case, basic operation, we also have the lens control. So LEN minus and LEN plus means lens minus and lens plus. We can go with a longer unit, so with a fast speed, we can see the unit length is longer, and we can make the lens shorter. This is lens shorter. And here is also a demo key. The demo key is to loop play all the program in the controller. We have more than 500 programs here, so press the mode, it will loop play all the programs to make a demo. And besides these functions, we can also go to the target program directly by the keypad. So to input your program, just need to press the shift first, then the program number, and then press enter. So the program is numbered with 3 digits. The first is like a play mode, and the second 2 digits are normally they are colors. For example, if I go to program 6, actually it's 006, we can go to 6 directly. So it's a purple. Purple, we can call it floor or something. And if we go to the 106, it's another play of purple. So we can go to 206. Again, it's changed. We go to 306. So there's a lot of different effects. It's 506 and 606. Sway and 706. It's kind of flash. Spark. For program start with 8 and 9 is a little different. Let's go to 806. So program start with 8 is a Hall effect, It's simulating a standard regular RGB strip. So all the LEDs is flashing all the time. It's not tracing anymore. We can go to, actually the next is red. It's a whole flash. And for program start with 9, it's a static color. So let's go to 906. And now it's not numbered with color anymore, but it's a static color. For program start with 9, it's a static color. So if you don't want any too garish effects, you can go to program start with 9, just get some static color. And with this static color, you can still adjust the brightness. So now the speed becomes changed to brightness. We can dim down a little bit and dim up. So this is a program start with 9. So there's plenty of different effects in this product. And since there's so many programs, we have some shortcut or favorite case from 1 to 6, this case. And these cases are to store and record the favorite programs. To record the favorite, just a single press. And yeah, I can switch to different favorite from 1 to 6. If I want to save some program to the favorite, I can hold press one key. For example, I go to any effect. Maybe I go to maybe this effect I liked very much, and I want to save to the favorite 1. So the operation is quite simple. Just hold press this key for about 3 seconds, and I go to other effects now. And if I want to switch back to the effect I just stored, just a single press library 1 or favorite 1. So you can edit the contents of the favorite settings. And we also have a loop function. So here is a loop. The loop function is to loop play the contents from favorite 1 to favorite 6. So you can also adjust the loop content. And to activate the loop is just simple press loop. It will loop play 1 to 6. That's a default function. If I want to add the loop content, I can hold press the loop key for 3 seconds, and I select the 1 to 6 favorite keys. For example, I like 1 and 2 to be loop played, and maybe 3. Then press loop again. So that is programming favorite 1, 2, and 3 as a loop. So the default function for loop is loop play from 1 to 6, and you can also program the loop function from the contents of 1 to 6 with any numbers. So this is the basic operation of this product. It's easy to use, it's simple, and with many different effects.